Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of a brand new freehold townhome right here that you see right behind me. And I'm actually located in southern end of Cambridge in one of the newly established communities. Here's what we'll do. I'll take you on a tour of the home first, then I will share with you everything you need to know about this particular project itself. And then if you do stick around until the end, I will also share with you a great incentive that you can avail for yourself that includes thousands of dollars in cash back to your pocket at the time of closing. So you definitely don't want to miss out, and let's get right into it. And just before we dive right in case this is your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and tap on the bell for notification so you are the first to learn about the current market in and around Kitchener, Ontario. My name is Dixit. I'm a local real estate agent serving Kitchener and surrounding towns. I've helped many families with their move in and around Kitchener, Ontario, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're thinking of moving in 9 days or 9 months, be sure to reach out. You can give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or you can even schedule a Zoom call. All the info right below in the description. I'll be more than happy to help you with your move in and around Kitchener, Ontario. All right, so let's dive right in. So this is the beautiful, fully upgraded model home located on a premium lot with no neighbors on the back. You're basically backing onto the green space. Although this is a townhouse, this is over 2,000 square feet and it's an end unit. As you can see, just look at the size of the porch. And as you enter through the home, which I'm gonna do in a second, you will see lots and lots of upgrades throughout this home by the builder, as obviously it is a model home, so they wanna show the best that they have got. So you sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour of this beautiful home. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of that beautiful model home. Now we are gonna get into some details about this particular project. So this builder is actually building, as I mentioned, on the southern end of Cambridge, somewhere between Westgalt and Blair. In case you're wondering where exactly, I can tell you that's an established neighborhood, so you will have lots of amenities right at your doorstep, even though you are moving in a brand new community. So you're looking at two-story layouts, all of them around 1,500 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 washroom. In case you're wondering about closing, you're looking at earliest closing of Jan 2025 and onwards, so you could extend it up to the spring of 2025 in case you do need to extend that closing. In terms of deposit, you will be looking at 10% deposit over a period of 90 days, and the prices you're looking at mid to high 700,000. Assignment can be requested at a cost of $5,000 plus HST, and the development charges are actually capped at $5,000, so you guys have no surprise at the time of closing. Now, exclusive incentive you can avail if you choose to work with me and buy one of these units at this builder's project. You will get 10% cash back at the time of closing towards your closing costs. That's an exclusive incentive you can avail if you choose to buy with me through this builder. So there you have it. I hope you did get some value. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap on the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market in and around Kitchener, Ontario. Once again, whether you think you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, be sure to reach out. All the info is right below in the description. I'll be more than happy to help you make a smooth move in and around Kitchener. Until next time, well, I do hope to see you around town.